Sales enablement software versus lead management platforms. Which one is better for closing deals faster? Most sales teams assume that just having a CRM is enough to close deals faster, but here's the truth. Sales enablement software and lead management platforms address different parts of the sales process, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your revenue. Sales enablement software like Seismic, Highspit or Showpad equips your team with the right content, training, and resources at the right time. For example, a big e-software company can provide reps with product demos, case studies, and objection handling guides tailored to each prospect stage. Sales enablement tools excel at improving messaging consistency, reducing onboarding time, and boosting seller confidence, ultimately shortening the sales cycle. Lead management platforms such as Salesforce, HubSpot CRM, or Zoho CRM focus on tracking, nurturing, and prioritizing leads throughout the pipeline. For instance, a marketing agency can capture leads from multiple channels, assign scores based on engagement, and automate follow-ups to ensure no opportunity slips through the cracks. Lead management platforms excel at organization, visibility, and prioritization, helping reps focus on the most promising prospects. The key difference is support versus process. Sales enablement software empowers reps with resources to sell effectively, while lead management platforms optimize the flow and tracking of opportunities. Most high-performing teams use both lead management platforms to identify and prioritize opportunities, and sales enablement tools to ensure reps have the materials they need to close deals efficiently. The takeaway is simple: if your main challenge is providing reps with the content and training they need to convert leads, sales enablement software is the better choice. If your main challenge is organizing and prioritizing leads to focus on high-value opportunities, lead management platforms are the smarter choice. The surprising truth is that combining both tools allows teams to not only find and nurture leads, but also close them faster, maximizing revenue growth and sales efficiency.